Yeah. Hey guys, Emmanuel from TrackLab here. Welcome to our YouTube channel first and foremost. Here today I've got my personal Mark 7.5 Golf R wagon. What we'll be doing is taking you guys through a APR Stage 1 tune file and how that's installed onto the car. So stick around. What have we got on the car? So we've got installed a turbo inlet pipe. We've also got installed a turbo muffler delete and an upgraded intake hose here. This would just help with airflow when we install the APR tune. Yeah. So what's the benefit of an APR tune? Well, not only does it increase horsepower and torque, it keeps all the amazing features that a Golf has to offer of daily drivability. We need to hook the car up to a power supply to ensure that it remains at constant voltage during the tuning process. So here at TrackLab we use VCDS. What this allows us to do is clear codes, scan the car, and it allows for OBD customization. We've scanned the car and we've identified that all the major components are okay and there are no faults present. So we'll just clear all the codes. This is our APR interface. This will be installed directly into the OBD port and in turn allow us to install the APR tune. So we've selected the file that we want to load on the car. Now APR sends a waiver to the customer. From here, the customer has to accept the waiver and that'll allow the tune to be loaded onto the car. Alright, so we've loaded the tune onto the car, we've cleared all the codes, now we'll take it for a drive and see how she goes. So I've got the car in normal mode at the moment and nothing is different. Everything is exactly as it was as it left the factory, still drives the same. We'll go ahead and pop the car into race mode now. Go down a gear, we'll give it a bit. That's a lot quicker. Wow, oh my God. That's scary, that's actually scary. Whoa. Alright guys, the Golf R has finally been tuned and I can report back that the drivability of this car has increased significantly. Guys, if you want to get your ride tuned, head over to TrackLab Australia or follow us on social media and we'll get something sorted for you. Make sure you like and subscribe as well to follow us for more content. Thank you.